But and we're live. It's Sam here with Michael and Rachel. It is a new year, they tell me. Sources have suggested it's 2015. It's a Thursday and it's noon, which suggests that it might be time to have a client meeting on LocalSupport, voluntary in Harrow. I guess I'll just say off the bat that yeah, it's been a busy, crazy week for me. Michael's probably more in the loop about what's going on. I reviews all of my. I guess actually, what I've done in my chatting to Michael and setting everything else up is I haven't made a new page setting an agenda. If I could quickly do that in the background, Rachel, do you have any particular new agenda items for the new year?
No, nothing just yet.
No, fair enough. Then just put that together. Yeah, there we go. Just need to make the previous meetings. We're doing meeting 77. Lucky for some, I guess. Is that? There we go. Time for meeting 77. Michael, did you have anything particular that you wanted to add to it? No. I guess it's basically the central items are to review what we're currently working on, and whether we need to tweak the direction. These are sort of outstanding action items from before the new year. They've been dealt with. Oh, is Alex with you today, Rachel?
Yes, he's here.
Yeah. So, Alex, were you working on a new logo without the beta?
I sent it to you.
Did you? Well,
I sent it to you like. I was so on the ball of everything.
Oh well, I mean that's entirely me being. Oh, I guess this is the thing I mentioned to Radio. I'm a bit backed up on my. I've moved to a new computer and I'm done it. If you send it to me on my neurogrid.com email, you probably have. Haven't you?
I hope I haven't deleted it.
I'm having trouble with my sam@neurogrid.com thing in terms of like reloading back all the email. If you could send it to sam@agileVentures.org.
Wait, I see your name.
The Agile Ventures.
My apologies for the email issues there. But anyway, you've obviously done your part, and now I just got to receive it. So yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We'll come back around on that. Yeah. So I haven't really made. I sort of thought that I would over the Christmas break. I would work on the Navy Constitution. I was ill in the New Year week, so there wasn't much time for anything. One thing, though, yeah, I guess we talked about Alex possibly wanting to be a trustee. I guess I think we left it that I needed to make that constitutional document and show it to you, and that'll be the next step. So I'll put your name in there, just not in that you've committed to anything, but just that to remind me to send you this constitution when I.
Yeah, I think that's a smart choice.
Yes. I guess if either of you, Rachel, can send me like an example charity constitution.
Yeah.
Okay.
That would be really handy.
I'll send you one right now.
Excellent.
Okay, Alex is sending it.
Good shot.
I think he's also sent you the.
Oh, charity. No, this is community benefits site.
I've got that, don't worry. It's just enough. I can do it.
Right. Yes. So I presume probably no news on the CBSs from Alex.
No, the guy from Sobus was due to come and visit, but never came.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm meeting with them soon.
Okay. Yeah. No worries. Alex, did you say that you wanted to do something on the SEO front? Did we need to coordinate on that?
Well, yes. I don't know what I can do, because the only thing I really know how to do is with that header, and if the header didn't work, I'm not sure what else
Okay. Well, then
I suppose I could research it a little bit and then point some articles and maybe.
Well, I think that basically there's like a Google Webmaster tool that allows you to do things, and then there's also like an XML document that if you want to specify the way the site is broken down. So certainly feel free to research it. I haven't heard from, I've forgotten the name of the young lady who started on that for us. Yeah, I haven't heard from her since the break, so yeah, feel free to look into that. Look, yeah, so that's fine. Say there, yeah. Yeah. So anyway, so you resent me the logo to the different email address.
Yeah, is that come through?
I just sent it.
Yeah. Okay. Hopefully that will come through.
I don't know.
Well, there we go. Okay. There we go.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. That. Okay. Great. Right. So then that's an action for me, which is get the new logo in place.
And I sent you the button as well.
Okay. Well, what's the button for? That's the.
You wanted a higher definition?
Oh, okay. Right. Oh, okay. Yes. Of this.
So I've done in Illustrator and in Thing. And it doesn't get very high illustration there. So
Okay. Yes.
maybe it looks better on screen, hopefully.
Yeah. So I'll pass them on to new Google icons.
Oh yes, sorry. Google icons. Terms.
Okay. Right. Good show. So, if you go and look at, I've got a different. I am sharing my screen. I'm seeing to see what I'm doing.
Yeah, we can see it.
Yeah. Good show. So, let's just look through. We've got our current thing here. So the organisation's homepage. Is that not finished yet, Michael? I certainly saw a demo of that at one point.
I think it's finished.
Yeah. Has it been merged to develop, or that's still just on some? I think we witnessed that in the last meeting, didn't we? Having that.
Yeah, we did look at it last time.
Yeah. So I don't know if that actually on there. Yeah, that should be. If it's, I guess maybe I'm waiting. It's not on that server. I guess I'm waiting a pull request for it. I didn't see it.
I thought we already had it in, but maybe we don't.
Yeah.
If you look into closed pull requests.
I mean, if it was in the closed pull requests, there, I guess, do I have to be logged in to get to actually see it? Maybe that's
to see which in particular.
To see that, like the home button.
Well, you have to be logged in as a owner of an organization that hasn't been updated in a year.
Oh,
so there's some particular conditions.
I had thought the idea of the home button was in.
Oh, the home button. I thought we were talking about the call to action.
Yeah, no. It was, well, I mean, I guess if we look back at that feature, it's about the organization's homepage link, and we've got there. I mean, it's maybe unfortunate like this.
Well, let me look on Ninefold, because maybe you didn't push it to master. You didn't deploy it.
No, well, but this is I'm on the develop server here, so anyway, I mean, I think we all agree that one of the I think the action I'm going to is that this feature here, like the two things, one having a homepage button that they can click on, and then the thing with the call to action are separate features that one should not be relying on the other. So let's put just a note on that. So that's. So that's Sam split the homepage call to action feature.
The home button should have been pulled into develop.
Yeah, I'm not sure why that's not appearing on the main thing.
Oh, I know why. Maybe because I took remember we were having that issue, I took the hook off. Maybe we just need to redeploy it. I'll do that in the background.
It's not auto redeploying?
What? I said, yeah, I took the hook off develop for auto deploying,
So
because there was some suggestion that was part of the problem.
yeah, is it safe to put that back in now?
It could be. I just manually redeployed, but I'll put it back in.
Yeah. All right, Will.
Our speaker is here.
Okay.
So, A, I've not done it before. I think that's our speaker, so just wanted to.
We've had several, yes. But yeah, I mean, well, that's the thing that would have been ideal to discuss in the meeting earlier today. And I've got this meeting now, which I need to do for the next 15 minutes. But basically, you know, greet him, make sure he's comfortable, get him down here for 12:30 and set him up with once I finish this meeting, I'll be happy to get himself a projector and make sure that I don't know if the students have been alerted in the chat. All right, thanks, Will. Welcome. Thank you. Right, so yeah, Michael can put the point box thing in, that makes sense. I'll go back to the. Here we go. Okay, so that's the homepage thing. We need to work what's on there. I think the donation info field thing is still being worked on. That bug with positioning of the info box. You had a follow-up pull request on that, Michael. Is that what's the state of that now? The positioning of the markers.
It should be fixed if you.
I'm getting confused. Look at all my tabs going on. The pull requests here. Yeah.
We're redeploying to develop right now, so we can't show it on
I think I pulled that in, and that's why. This is why I'm a bit confused. I was expecting this. I think that will end up.
If you go to the closed.
Yeah.
It's
fine. I remember merging it. Yeah. Sorry, Rachel, we're all 6s and 7s here. Okay. I'll go back to, yeah.
But if you wanted to show it to Rachel, I don't know.
I think we looked at it previously. The key thing now for delivering it will be to get it out on staging rather than on development. We've already looked at that, I think.
I think, well, unless that's something else. That's probably something else then.
Well, but
there was another issue, but anyway.
Okay, well, if you monitor in the background, if you get it deployed, then let's come back to it. I think actually here it looks like, so we have this other feature here, which is have a home button to take the users back to the main page. So I guess that's actually these things are split up. I guess this feature becomes, it's like call to action, if not up recent. You know, that's the feature is misnamed there. So yeah, so this needs to be delivered. So we've got, top of our backlog is exposing the other categories. Definitely got one thing to show here, Rachel and Rachel and Alex. We've got from a spike from John, like this, and he's done a different. Can you see this? Okay.
If it can be a bit bigger. Oh yes, I can. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So John, in sort of thinking about this, was just sort of spiking an interface like this, where you would have these three things here, and the drop down. I guess he's thinking about this as potentially an advanced search interface, or it could be even the default thing that you saw on every page. But any thoughts about that kind of layout?
Can you shrink it down so I can see the whole screen? At the moment, I can just see. What do you think, Alex? What do you think? I think it does make it look a bit more busy.
How do you get to it?
At the moment, I don't think you do, because this was John has spiked this on his own computer just as to explore this layout. So what I can do is I can send you the link to it so that you can look at it in at your leisure. I mean, no need to say like yes or why did that happen? I want to go there and hit reply all. So everybody.
Can you actually send him a link to it? I mean,
that's what I was actually doing there. Yes. Do you not see?
You're sending a link to the photo.
I'm sending a link to the photo to the screenshot. So that will be in your email. If that's difficult to look at, I think what John is kind of keen on is his sketches. Feel free to have a look at this. And you saw previously this was his previous idea about having them all built into one. But if there is some particular design and layout that you think makes more sense as the way to go, then please sketch something and send it to us, and we'll use that for what we do.
Can you go back to the picture one?
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, I think this one's more user friendly.
Yes.
Because I think I mean, the example I said before was the organisation that work with children.
Yes.
So obviously, if with that they go who they help, and you bring up all the children things.
No. Right.
I think it does make the page look messier, but I think functionally.
I really like it because the whole idea of it is for people to find an easier way to get in touch with their charities, or for charities basically to have their own web presence. That basically it really easily shows that, basically points them in the right direction straight away.
Yes.
In a very clear format. And I wouldn't. I mean, even if the bottom bit is shrinked up to match with the map, that wouldn't concern me, just because everybody can see there's tons of organisations in Harrow.
Right.
But scrolling through that, it's very 3 at a time, however many would show.
Right.
That would still be as effective. So I think actually having a thing at the top makes it a bit more effective and, like Rachel said, a bit more user friendly.
Because again, I think if you're looking for a sports group for children, then it's going to be much easier to filter now, isn't it? So
yes. I think what I'm going to say is that, like, by having these 3 things here, it's also guiding people about the kinds of things that they can find in the site. So we've obviously got our thing here saying search for local charity, local voluntary and community organisations, but then having over here, where it says what they do, who they help, and how they help is kind of it's a call to action of how you might use the site.
We had also wanted some feedback on the fonts. The fonts for the labels.
Yeah. Well, yeah, Alex and Rachel, what do you think about the fonts?
They're fine.
Yeah, look good to me.
It's readable. Throw me. Please come back here.
Yeah, I mean, I would say, Michael. I mean, let's put the fonts. You know, in the first instance, we can just have a font and get the design layout way to go. I mean, the interesting option is this thing that says, you know, any kind of more complex interface will intimidate some portion of users who will then not do it. You know, this kind of thing could be behind you know, you could have the simple version, and there was like a call out to say advanced search, and that you would then have these 3 category things pop up only when you you know, press the advanced search thing. But there's you know, various pros and cons. Although given the number of people using this site, I don't know that it matters too much either way. It's nice to experiment with new things and see if people like them.
Yeah, I know it is.
Indeed. Anyhow, but yeah, you know, as I've sent a link to you, to Alex and Rachel, and so feel free to, you know, if you think of anything else about that or other ways around.
I mean, what about the symmetry across the page? Like maybe it's better to get rid of a list of organizations.
So
I just think it looks a little weird having the 2 squares off and left center from each other.
Right. What do you think about that, Alex and Rachel?
Alex is just saying.
Okay. Rachel, any thoughts on that?
I think you're right. Can I think about it?
You certainly can. Please take your time. Personally, it's kind of thing. For me, it doesn't bother me so much. I mean, the simple thing is that the map could be extended down so that it was could be extended down so that the you know, bottom line matched up. But yeah, okay. So we've got to talk. I guess that's got to reminders. Oh, just go back and see it. Is there? Oh God, everything's reminding me of the same thing all at once. But so I guess the key thing to establish from Rachel and Alex's point of view is, yeah, that the key next feature that we're interested in is the exposing the other categories. I know that Michael and folks are working on this, ability for non-admins to propose organizational edits, and then next in the priority is allowing new organization submission through the site itself. Does that fit in with the current priorities, Rachel?
Yeah. Yes.
Actually, I mean, you guys, I would say almost like, you guys could, if you want to get more feedback on this than the other, Michael, I think might be good to give Alex and Rachel some time to digest. Is there anything else that we need to discuss or flag as an agenda item, action item rather?
You could
say that again. We'll change the logo.
Have you seen our new site?
The audio is kind of breaking up. I'm having difficulty understanding either of what Rachel or Alex just said.
Hello, we're here.
Yes.
Feedback.
Okay. Have you got headphones on?
No.
I guess you haven't. Let me put my headphones on because that's.
So Sam, did you want to show them the bug fix?
Yes, I will do. Let me just try and. I think I felt like Rachel and Alex might have been trying to say something. Maybe if we just go to Rachel, was there something that you wanted to say?
Yeah, just that we've got. Oh, that's better. We've got a new logo, which we'll need to put on your site, and we've got a new website as well.
Oh, so you've got a new VAH logo. Okay.
We've changed. Well, we've changed our name slightly. We're just using the word cooperative, so we're Voluntary Action Harrow Cooperative.
So your VAH. So you've had a rebranding.
Yes.
Right.
So from just for your point, it'd just be changing the little logo that's at the bottom.
Right. So yeah, no, fair enough. Oh yeah, we'll do it. So you're now VARC rather than VAR, are you?
That's interesting because other people have said VARC. VARC. I think I prefer VARC.
I'll tell you what we've got our next speaker coming in, so I'm going to need to chat to him now. Can I leave you, Michael, maybe to show Rachel that one bug fix issue? I will follow up and catch up with you guys during the week. Does that sound alright?
Alright, sure.
Good, thank you so much.
Right, thanks guys. Speak to you soon.
Bye.
Bye for now. Okay.
Hi.
Michael.
So if you look at my screen,
Okay.
are you able to see my screen?
Let me just see. I'm just seeing Sam's disappear. Do I need to click? Oh.
You have to click at the bottom. There's a.
Okay, I'm going to click on Michael, and then it should. Yes, I think I've got yours. You've got the website. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So let me show you the context for the fix. Let's see. It was this one. So on charities where they had very long names, such as this.
Yep.
Redeemed Christian Church of God. The height of the box, the pop-up box, was long because it made the title be 2 lines instead of 1. So we had these weird formatting issues where you can see that the icon is obscured.
Yeah.
So it's actually fairly complex to fix it straight away and have it come out the top. So what I did in the meantime is, now we have on staging, you can see, where is that charity at? So here's the same charity, and now it comes out the bottom.
Okay.
And it's just simpler because of the technical issues involved to do it this way.
Okay.
But if you had a strong preference for it to come out the top, we could look at working on.
No, that's fine. Coming out the bottom.
Okay. Well.
This is not in the office at the moment. Can I help at all? Okay.
What? Did someone say something?
No,
Or
sorry.
is that someone?
On the phone,
Is he talking to someone else?
Yeah, he's on the phone.
Okay. What else? Sam hadn't shown you, but there actually is a delete button. I'm not sure whether I should bother showing it to you.
Yeah.
Where did I put that?
That's
Undo delete.
the position the person they apply on, the position the applicant will apply for.
Sorry, I didn't.
It's okay.
Whoever is getting the DBS check done, their job. So you know, evidence of identity.
I don't think.
You check in their passport.
But I can show it to you locally.
That
Okay.
will be the name of the checker. Essentially.
Okay.
Yeah. And what level of check you're doing? Is it enhanced?
What are the? Like if the user's been deleted.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that person has contact with
So
children.
let's say there's a list of deleted users, but we have to first delete someone. So we have this guy something at something.com.
Yep.
And that's the delete button that's already on the website. If you go into deleted users,
Yeah.
I chose to have it be its own little view. So if you go into deleted users, you'll see now.
Okay, and you can restore them.
Right.
You can restore him, and now he's not in deleted, but he's back. Should be back in all users. See,
Okay. Yeah. No, that's good.
that should. Okay, so I guess we'll work on getting that deployed to an actual environment. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thanks. That's
Okay.
all I have to show.
All right. Michael. Bye.
Thanks.
and the first problem is that the close doesn't return value even if